Hi everybody. It is amazing but true. We are in week 5, the very last week of this course, and module 5 is going to focus on the elderly population. So after this week we will be completely done, which is crazy how time flies. For this module, again, we'll be focusing on the elderly. Aside from watching this mini lecture, you will have to read one chapter in the textbook, which is chapter 12. And then you'll have to read some supplemental materials about Medicare and supplemental security income. Those are the two big policies we will be focusing on. In addition to that, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the final paper, which is due at the end of this week on Sunday at 11:59 p.m. So let's go ahead as usual and look at our PowerPoint together. Okay, here we go. So again, we're focusing on the elderly population. This population is extremely important for social workers to be aware of and to know about the policies that impact them. Our population is aging. It's been aging for a while, and the rate of aging is increasing. By 2030, we are expecting that 20% of U.S. residents will be 65 and older. That's compared to 13% in 2010 and 9.8% in 1970. So again, quite a strong increase. Since our population is aging, it is really important for us to be aware of the policies that impact this population, because again, it's highly likely that any social worker will come in contact with elderly individuals during their career. The two policies that we're going to focus on this week are Medicare and supplemental security insurance, or supplemental security income, sorry. Okay, so I'm going to give you just a quick overview of Medicare and SSI. Medicare is a federal health insurance program for anyone over the age of 65 and older, certain individuals with disabilities, and also people with end-stage renal disease. This is regardless of income that you can qualify for this program. Then we have SSI, or Supplemental Security Income. Supplemental Security Income is a cash program. So in other words, people who qualify will receive cash in order to pay for basic needs like food, clothing, and shelter. This program is offered to individuals who are 65 and older, or who are blind and or disabled, and who have very low income. So this is a means-based program. If you are 65 and over, you're blind or you're disabled, and you have little or no income, then you can apply for this program and again receive cash benefits. This program is funded with general tax revenues. Again, you'll be delving into this program deeper over the course of the next week. So again, for this module, you will have to read Chapter 12, as well as the additional materials related to Medicare and supplemental security income. Then based on those materials, you will have to complete the discussion board and the quiz. Of course, those can again be accessed by just going to the very bottom of our Module 5 page on Canvas. Then finally, I just want to go over the final paper with you again. It is due the end of this week, so on Sunday at 11:59 p.m. You will submit it on Canvas. It is the link to the assignment is also on the Module 5 page on Canvas. For this paper, you are going to have to choose from one of two policies. You will have to either choose abortion or euthanasia. Those are your two options. You will choose one of those two policies, and based on that policy, you will write a 2-page double-spaced paper. So it's not a long paper at all, just 2 pages, double-spaced. And on that paper, you will answer the following 5 questions. So you will tell me, which policy did you choose? Who does this policy affect? Describe the policy and what is the goal or the purpose of that policy. Is the policy the same across states or is it different? Explain your answer. And what are the intended and unintended outcomes of this policy? When you complete this assignment, please restate each of the 5 questions followed by your answer. So again, in your submission, please have each of the 5 questions restated with your answer to that question right below it. In order to complete this assignment successfully, you will have to use 3 reputable sources. So again, find 3 sources that are reputable, like for instance government websites. Find those sources and then cite them appropriately in your paper using APA formatting. If you are uncomfortable with APA, then please visit the OWL at Purdue. They have a great website. Also on Canvas, I have provided you with an APA cheat sheet, so you're more than welcome to use that as well to guide you as you put together your APA references. Again, this assignment is due at the very end of this week on Sunday at 11:59 p.m. If you have any questions about the final paper or anything else, then please let me know. Send me an email. Let's make this last week super and finish strong. Thanks, everybody. Bye.